Half a day everyone, I'm Roda Simon and welcome to Chika Roda. Vin Abrenica weighs in on infidelity and men's ability to resist temptation. Vin Abrenica shared his thoughts on infidelity during a game of questions we've never asked each other for a vlog with his fiancée, Sophie Albert. At one point in the video, Sophie asks the A Soldier's Heart actor, "Do you really believe that men can resist temptation if temptation is there?" "This is about cheating," he clarified. Then Sophie added, "They say that men cannot resist the temptation to cheat." While the couple did not refer to anything else but their own views and opinions, it's worth noting that this comes after action star Robin Padilla made a controversial comment when asked about the cheating allegations on Vince's brother Aljur Abrenica on Robin's daughter Kylie Padilla. Sa panahon ngayon, huwag tayo maglokohan. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi ako naniniwala na merong lalaking makakatanggi sa tukso, said Robin in an interview. As for Vin, he thinks adultery is a sin a person may choose or not to commit. Yung makakalimutan ng statement na yan is God gave us a choice and that's His gift to humans men. Binigyan din niya tayo ng choice to choose what's right and what's wrong. He continued that cheating could be avoided if only couples having troubles would communicate. Yung taong cheater, will he always be a cheater all his life? Well, if it's not working in the first place, kapag hindi mo nakukuha ang gusto mo, why would you get something from other girls? Diba? Why not consult your partner first? Sabihin ko sa'yo, this is what I want. Hindi mo maibigay? Then okay, di mo mabigay sa akin yon. I think yung relationship natin might be at risk. If even after couples try and still fail at working on their relationships, then what's when they could decide to part ways peacefully? Vin suggested. Then kung makapag-agree kayo na at risk nga yung relationship, kung ayaw nyo pa rin ang isa't isa, then at least you have a closure first. E di maghiwalay kayo, then you do the stuff that you want to do, diba? Choose. Then at least you're not gonna cheat. But at least you're gonna do what you want that can satisfy you. Yung pinakaano talaga sa akin, you have a choice. You always have a choice, he reiterated. Vin then pointed out that the idea that men naturally aren't able to resist temptation is false. Because again, as humans, we always make our own choices. Well, one, lahat naman is not a tempt. Yung statement na hindi talaga makaka-resist yung guy, well, I think that is unfair. Meron talagang temptation na nangyayari sa atin. Parang alam mo yun, it's a choice, he explained. You choose to cheat or you choose to be tempted. I think that's unfair for guys, or it's not about. It's not a matter of sex, biology, kung lalaki ka or babae ka, said Vin. In a statement sent to GMA News, Kylie announced that she and Aljur are in a healthy co-parenting relationship for their two sons, Alas and Ax, after their split. She also requested for privacy and respect as she is still not in the process of recovering, healing, and moving on. Thanks for watching. Keep safe everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify pa kayo sa aking mga latest chika.